when I tell you that I'm excited, I am excited. I just got a new GoPro. I'm gonna test it out, see how it goes today. So what we're doing today is, hold on, before I freaking start telling you guys what I'm doing, let me check my oil and coolant, because it is an old car. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, kind of nervous. I don't know why. I think I'm just excited. All right, we're good on coolant. Definitely gonna level up the whole quality of everything. I hope you guys can hear me. So today's basically just gonna be a test. We have oil. It's gonna be a test that makes sure everything is running good. I hope everything is recording. I really hope everything is recording. All right, now we're gonna close this. Guys, make sure it's in first, all right? Ooh, almost didn't want to start. All right, I just double checked the camera angle, y'all. So let me know if it's good. And if it ain't, then obviously I'll fix it. But first things first, don't mind this. A whole bunch of dead steer. I need to fix this. Yeah, gonna replace the steering shaft and the power steering rack. Just so this isn't here anymore. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, because this is bad. This is all dead steer. Once the car is warm, I'm gonna check with, can't even talk. Dude, I'm so excited. Like, y'all have no idea. Like, I got a GoPro to film now. I've always wanted to upgrade like my filming quality. So this is just one step, you know. How do you say it, dude? I really can't even talk. I'm just really excited that I got this new GoPro. Let me just tighten it. Make sure that it's tight. I think it's tight. I hope so. That's what she said. I'm just really excited to film, so y'all tag along. I don't know what the hell is gonna happen today. Well, I actually do know. I'm gonna go to Ondo's right now, but you know, I'm gonna just film a little bit of driving. There will be a POV driving coming soon, just not today, because I'm gonna just use today to test out the media mod and all that other stuff. Make sure that the quality is good. So just, yeah guys, just tag along. Let's go. Oh guys, I'm excited. If I stall or I miss a shift, that's because I'm like nervously excited. That's the best way I can describe this. Because like, bro, I have a GoPro now. You guys get this new footage. The get gapped footage. Not me getting gapped, not me gapping other people, because my car is slow. Oh my god, you guys, I'm fucking excited. I'm really excited because I have this GoPro now. It's just like, you guys can see everything through my eyes now, and it's a new source of not source, but you know, it's a new way to film. And I'm really excited. I'm just excited. That's the best way I can put it. I've been waiting like so long to do this, and then I had the opportunity to do it, and I did it. Look at these people. Hey, 10 points. Now people are gonna look at me all crazy now that I got a camera on my head. It's all good though. Part of the game. I gotta do what I gotta do. Look, there's a 5-0 right there. Let's go. Let's get a gap cam real quick. Nah, too late. Nah, he turned the other way. Wait, hold on. I might have an opportunity to roll up on him. Hey, let me hear it for YouTube. Let me hear it. Rev it. Let me hear it. I did not know it was two females in there. I did not know it was two females in there. I thought it was a dude. Oh no. Oh, hold on. My mom's calling me, y'all. Hi, mama. Okay. Love you, mama. Bye. Oh, wow. Nice. The recording didn't stop. I did not. No, I did not expect 2 females to be in there. So, babe, when you're watching this, when I'm editing this, I was not trying to get at them, okay? I was not. I just thought there was 2 dudes in there, or not 2 dudes. I thought there was a dude. I thought it was a dude driving the car. Oh God. No. Okay. What we're doing today, now that I'm finally getting around to telling you guys, what we're doing today is replacing a water pump on a Hummer. I'm helping Otto out do that to his dad's Hummer, and we'll see what that dude, I can't talk. We'll see how that goes. I'm so excited. I have a GoPro. All right, it's time to calm down and like let's drive before I actually crash, because I'm too excited right now. Hey, watch out, my guy. Watch out, watch out. Hit me, I get a Cobra. Look, the guy didn't even end up changing lanes. Look. He's right here. He didn't even end up changing lanes. Ah. Fucking guy, dude, I swear, people. People, I swear. People, man, this is California for you. This is California for you guys. Look at this, just like, look. No clue where he's going. He has no idea. Completely oblivious. I did not need to do that, but hey, a downshift is a downshift. Light was yellow, I had to make it. So that noise, that little chirping, I believe is my throwout bearing, or it could be my flywheel that wasn't tightened down all the way, because the shop that I took it to, you guys heard me say this a couple times already, the shop that I took it to said not to replace my flywheel, that they're just going to resurface it, and I wanted to replace it, but no, they said resurface it.
Click, 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 click. This is what Miata people think their car is.
That's a lightweight two-door sports car. It must have a Lotus.
Duke! Hi, Duke. Hi, friend. Hi. Okay, bye.
Duke Simulator.
Dude.
Oh my goddamn Ellet.
There's no way that's the water pump.
That is the water pump.
Dude, this looks like the church bell that you freaking ring. You know what I'm talking about? Like the dong.
Hi. Have you or a long one been diagnosed with long cock disorder? Because I have. I know what that's like to live with every single day.
Guys, this is my best friend right here.
Cut. Start again.
So we got the water pump off. It was pretty easy.
Water pump? This thing looks like it could power the freaking
universe.
Soviet satellite.
Dude, this is literally the Hummer water pump. Just look at it.
Look at it.
And then look at this one.
Look at it.
Look at it. Hello?
Why you got that shit on your head like a minor?
Cause we vlogging. What happened?
I'm home alone.
Shut up.
We're busy.
I'm
home alone.
I'm getting the water pump on, okay? Hold on.
You'll be there in 20 minutes. Now leave him alone.
Alright, relax. We need to get this water pump on now. Alright, I love you. Bye.
King of the wood. Everything wood.
Alright, let's get this pump water on. Just get it under first.
What the f just dropped?
I don't know.
It was the fucking gas.
Oh my god. Alright.
Where'd it go? Oh, I see it. Where is it?
Where is it? You got it? Oh, this top one's being up. Pray to God this thing doesn't leak. Oh no! Oh, it did hit the floor. Alright. It's always the 10 mil. Okay. Damn, dude, freaking church bell's going off. Maybe see you later.
Yes.
I'll let you know.
Drive safe, okay?
I will.
If you're too tired, don't just go home and we'll hop on.
Bet. We're done. We're leaving the Hummer. Look at this beautiful RX-8.
Piece of shit.
No, it's not.
Hope you explode while I'm inside.
No, no. Shut
I hope it
the.
catches on fire.
Shut up.
I hope it blows up like the cars in the movies where the doors fly off while I'm in it.
Shut up, dude.
So I die of spontaneous death.
Spontaneous death.
Instant
Oh no.
kill.
And then we're gonna start a GoFundMe and be like that one RX-8 guy.
I'll be like, go fund me, my car blew up.
My car blew up and I'm dead.
But it was properly put together.
Exactly.
And I'm dead.
That's the only difference.
Revive me, bro. I have ray gun.
Oh, I don't fit. Man, I just want to go right. Could have went a little bit more to the left. But that's fine. Man, I really wanted to do a pool, but too many cars. What the next step is going to be, but thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys are hyped as just as I am. I also got a GoPro 360 Max, but I'm just waiting on a mount. Hit that like button, that sub button, and remember, y'all, rise over obstacles and stay humble. Peace.
I put my money on casino.